As our skylines rise ever higher, our streets stand stubbornly still. Congestion grows. Opportunity trapped on the ground. Until now. Introducing Valo from Vertical. Engineered for safety, space, and serenity. Clean, quiet, and fast. Crossing cities in minutes, not hours. Valo is not a concept, it's here. This is the new urban mobility. Valo is a new era of possibility for everyone. All you have to do is look up.